Hello everyone, this is Princey and today we will be learning the basic use of XLOOKUP function. So here we have the product code and the product description, and in this other table we have the product code, product description and the various prices which we had announced and the update date. So here, like for example, we have the price of ink pen as on 1 Jan 2020, it was 100, and from 1 Jan 2023 it was announced as 105. So our objective is to bring the oldest price here and the latest price here in column E. So how do we do it? Let's see. So we'll do equal to XLOOKUP tab. Now lookup value, it means what we want to look for. So we want to look for the product code. So let's say B6 and comma. Lookup array is where do we want to look for that value. So I want to look for it in column I. So I'll select the range and I'll freeze the range, comma, return array. That is basically what you want to return. So we want to return the price. So we'll select the price column, freeze the range, and now it says if not found. So what value you want if the price is not found in this list. So we'll say NA, comma, then here match model. In match model we want to tell it that whether we want an exact match or approximate match. So we want an exact match, so we'll say 0, comma, and in search model it asks like whether you want to search from start to end or from end to start or in ascending or in descending order. So we want to, since our prices are in such a way that the oldest price is on top and the latest price is at the bottom. So we will say for oldest price we will say search from top to bottom. So that is search from first to last, that is 1. And let's close the bracket and enter. Now let's copy it down and we get all the prices. Then similarly for latest price we will do XLOOKUP, lookup value, comma, lookup array. Where do we want to look for it? Freeze the range. Then return array. We want to return this. Freeze this. If not found, we want to say NA, comma, match model. We want an exact match, so 0. And now for the latest price, since the latest price is at the bottom, we will say last to first, that is -1. Close the bracket and hit enter. Let's copy it down and we got the prices. So you can see for ink pen we have 100 as the oldest price and 105 as the latest price. I hope you understood the basic use of XLOOKUP. In upcoming videos we will be learning it to use in more complex circumstances. So thanks for watching and please do like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.